Today we're going to show you how to make a decadent gluten-free chocolate cake. Providing options that meet consumers' changing dietary restrictions doesn't mean you can't make things flavorful and decadent. To this gluten-free chocolate cake, we've added a few ingredients to really amp up that chocolate flavor. In fact, an old baker trick is to add coffee to chocolate. Not enough to make it mocha, but just enough to make that chocolate flavor really pop. First, add the wet ingredients to the bowl. The order you add ingredients is important for proper batter hydration. Add the water, eggs, oil, and 2.2% coffee flavoring. Then, add in the mix. And 6% black cocoa, 2% medium cocoa, not Dutch processed. Using a paddle attachment, mix on first speed for 2 to 3 minutes. Gluten-free mixes are unique because there's no gluten, you don't have to worry about overdeveloping it. Instead, we need to think about properly hydrating the starches. Our R&D team has perfected the blend of starches needed to mimic gluten to remove any guesswork by you. Now, turn the speed to medium and mix for another 2 to 3 minutes. Turn the mixer back down to low and add the stage 2 water very slowly over the course of 1 to 2 minutes. Scrape the bowl and mix on medium for another 2 to 4 minutes. Next, heavily treat a 10-inch bundt pan with Bakery Essentials pan spray. This promises easy release from the pan without adding in any unwanted flavor to your cake. Deposit 2 pounds 4 ounces of batter into each pan, making sure to even out the batter. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until the cake is firm and set all the way through. Let cool completely, trimming the belly of the cake if needed. Make sure to reserve those scraps for cake pops or hungry bakers. And unmold. This cake is so delicious, it doesn't need any additional garnish.